This box contains the EDFC Active Pro Kit. Again, I've not actually had a look through, I've just opened it. There's a fly here that's really annoying me, but you know, I just can't do it. So part number whatever, there we go. EDFC force controller. That is, I literally have no idea what's in these boxes. Oh, that's the GPS kit, so I understand that. Put that there. This is the suspension, so we'll get to that. So first, let's see what we have in this box. Oh, so it's a box within a box. Literally a box within a box. Okay. So we don't need that. So yeah, so it's an adjustable damping force system in 3 modes: 4-wheel independent adjustment, wireless control, but obviously you still need to provide power, and yeah, it's just, I watched the videos and it seemed pretty good. So let's see. Okay, so this is the controller. Okay, it's got the wire going in the back. Smaller than I thought. I thought this would be like that big, but it's not. And these are the controllers. So let's see. Okay. So yeah, that there for now. This is all the cabling for it, I guess. And they've given me some crimps. I don't like to do crimping. I'm not a crimper, or whatever these T's are. I prefer to solder stuff, as you've probably all figured out by now. There should be a pack of grease in here somewhere. Oh my god. This instruction book. Completely useless. Because it's all in Japanese. What am I supposed? Oh, okay. There is English in here. Okay. I got ahead of myself then. So this is all Japanese. I love the Japanese language, the way it's written. It's so beautiful. Yes, I digress. Yeah, and then this is all the English operation stuff. So that would be good reading. Alright, what do we have here then? Okay, there we go. I'm just gonna put this in here. Okay, so these are the controllers. So you get one at the front, one at the back. I don't know what this is. I don't know what that is. But I know what this is. This is the actual thing that will be mounted in the cabin. So yeah, that's okay. Seems to check out. Everything seems to be okay. Rip that out. There we go. So that's that box. Then we have, this says so on the box, the GPS. So what the GPS does is it looks at your speed, because through the GPS it can track speed, and the controller itself, I think, allows you to see what your G-forces are, and based on those 2 inputs it will adjust your dampening automatically. I don't know what this is. Oh, these are the 4 motors. So what then happens is, so this is the grease I was talking about. It's here, which is good. Cool. Go away, fly. What the hell? Honestly. So this is the grease. I don't know why there's green stuff in here, but there is. So yeah. And what you do is So these are the little things that turn the compression stuff. So I've got 4, 1 for each side. And I think these are like the waterproofing business, so that's all good as well. Pack it exactly the way it was. So one thing I would say is packed really well. You know, they use good quality cardboard. You know, typically nowadays companies aren't using good quality cardboard, it just comes in crap. And then I know what these are. So these are likely the extensions. So the problem I have with my Mustang is that I can't just mount the motors on top of the suspension. So what I have had to buy is an extension kit, such as this. Now, I thought this is a bit of a problem. I thought I was gonna get 4 of these, but I've only got 2. So I'm gonna have to speak to the suppliers and see what's what. So this then mounts on top of the suspension. This goes in here, and the motor goes here, and then you're able to relocate the motor if you have space constraints. So okay, it is what it is. Excellent. All right, now this is a big one. This is quite heavy, actually. I'm gonna lift it from here. Oh my god. Color all this stuff out because it's my address details. We don't want you to have that. Sorry guys. Okay. Ooh. So this is the Coilover. Oh my god, I got stickers! I got stickers! Okay, I don't understand why I have 3M double-sided tape, but I do. These are the front, so these are height adjustable. And then this is the tool. And that's the rear. So I don't have to go deeper into the box, I guess. Oh. And then you have, for the rear, height adjustment. I'm liking the finish. Yeah, and then that's the second front strut in there. Tool, the covering boots. Excellent. Then I'm guessing underneath here again, so we have the rear, and then I'm guessing it's the same layout as it is over there. So let's have a closer look at the front one, and we'll grab this one out as well. So the springs are the springs. They've got those rubber things on them, which is good because they can't, if people don't put them on, it can get quite noisy. Nice. And then the red sticker says tighten at specified torque. Okay, nice. And then this is where you're able to adjust. Actually, are you able to adjust it from there? That looks different. Interesting. I thought it was four-way adjustable. Let's have a look. Yes, the same, so it must be adjustable because I've got 4 motors. So yeah. So the motor actually mounts on top of these, which allows you to adjust the compression on these. So that makes sense actually. I just got a bit panicked almost. So I'm pretty happy with it actually. Yeah, build quality seems good. Powder coat seems good. We'll see how long it lasts. And this is it. This is what you get. Well, I'm a bit unsure as to why I've got double-sided tape, but I'm sure when I do the install it will all become clear. So let's have a look at the stickers, because I mean, come on, who doesn't want it? There we go. So this is like a plastic sticker almost. Like, look at this. This is quite nice. I don't know where I'll put it, but it's nice. And then I've got a few of the other stickers as well. And what else do we have? Some grommets. Okay. And then some tools. Okay. So that's it really. These are the adjustment tools for the heights, and that's what you get in the kit. It's obviously in the box. I've still got this, so that allows you to adjust the rear, and then obviously a shift boot. So that's like one side basically right there. Nice. Okay. Okay. Alright. Well, that's it. I hope you enjoyed the video. And I'll do an install video at some stage later on. Peace out.